Sonam Kapoor. Sonam Kapoor dated few years before getting hitched with entrepreneur Anand Ahuja, who owns the brand Bhane. Anand Ahuja's net worth as of 2021 is more than 500 crores. Shilpa Shetty. Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty got married to rich businessman Raj Kundra in 2009. Raj Kundra is one of the richest businessmen and his net worth is around a hefty amount of $500 million. Rani Mukherjee. Bollywood actress Rani Mukherjee surprised everyone when she announced her marriage with Aditya Chopra. Present owner of Yash Raj Films, Aditya Chopra's net worth is more than $890 million. Asin. This South Indian and Bollywood actress was introduced to her husband Rahul Sharma by Akshay Kumar. Current reports suggest that the rich businessman has a net worth more than 1500 crores. Vidya Balan. It came as a shocker when Vidya Balan got married to Siddharth Roy Kapoor and became his third wife. Siddharth is the CEO of UTV Motion Pictures and his net worth is more than $476 million. Esha Deol. Hema Malini's daughter Esha Deol got married to her childhood friend Bharat Takhtani, who is a diamond businessman. As per the recent reports, the net worth of Esha Deol's husband is more than $20 million currently. Amrita Arora. Amrita Arora got married to her longtime boyfriend Shakil Ladakh, who is a very rich businessman. Her husband owns a construction company and his net worth is more than 700 crores. Preity Zinta. In 2016, Preity Zinta decided to get hitched to financial analyst Jean Goodenough, who earns in crores every year. Preity Zinta's husband Jean Goodenough's present net worth is more than $135 million. Juhi Chawla. Former Miss India Juhi Chawla got married with rich businessman Jay Mehta when she was at the peak of her career. The couple got married in 1995 and the net worth of Jay Mehta is more than 2,400 crores. Celina Jaitley. Former beauty queen of Bollywood Celina Jaitley got married to businessman Peter Hag, who is an entrepreneur. Peter runs successful chains of hotels and his earning is around 16.4 crores per year and net worth is more than $2.5 million. Munim. Legendary Bollywood actress Tina Munim got married to the owner of Reliance Group, Anil Ambani. It is reported that Anil Ambani's net worth is currently somewhere around $300 million. What are your thoughts about these stars marrying millionaires? Let us know in the comment section.